Hi everyone, welcome back. Really quick update on Spell. Circa 10 hours ago, Bitcoin decided to have another correction, and as such, almost every altcoin on the books has taken a big old dump. So it did look like we were, let me just tidy up the chart a little bit. It did look like we were consolidating through this chart channel here of support resistance, which was pretty good to see. And then hopefully would have made a move higher. What's actually played out is we've consolidated and then we follow a trend down to the downside, which was our worst case scenario, and has played out. So what I might start doing is not drawing worst case scenarios, because they seem to be following them quite accurately. Not to say that's going to stop them happening, but what to look for now. So we have had a good strong pullback from I will say this was our last resistance zone, our last comfortable resistance zone at 17.1. Yeah, so it's really good to see a strong bounce from there. We're looking at a period of consolidation, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't take any further moves lower, we should be okay and maintaining bullish momentum. And I call this bullish, and I'll explain to you why. So on the 4th of December, Bitcoin wicked down to 41,985, and today we've had a big correction when we were actually due to move higher, but we had a big correction, and that brought us down to 42,491, which is technically a higher low than what we saw a month ago. So although it's a catastrophe for today, it's actually not that bad in the bigger picture. And what we could be looking at was Bitcoin retesting this resistance zone before it does make its next leg up, pull back and away and gone as per the Bitcoin plan. So again, we have seen a strong bounce. Bitcoin doesn't appear to be consolidating. It does seem to have hit this new low, a higher low, and has retraced and is moving back up. So fingers crossed that continues. So what to look for now with Spell will be a move back above 18.8, period of consolidation, move back above the 0.020, and then get into this support resistance channel, and hopefully we will see some actions like we've been reviewing over the last few days, where we've been retesting support at this significant zone at 0.025. Once we get clear of that, we should be looking at getting back up towards the 3 cent zone. The reason I'm speaking so bullishly on Spell is that on the 4th of December, and I'll just pull out to the daily to show you this real quick. On the 4th of December, where we had a really similar correction on Spell, our price was actually at 0.005. Now, Bitcoin is only 1% higher than where it was here, but if you look at Spell, we're almost 3 times higher. So we're actually in a position where we're 300% higher than we were back there. So we've leveled up as we've expected, and although we have completely fallen off the chart over the last 3 days, we haven't actually regressed back to the zones that we were on the 4th of December, which is something that I'm looking at with all the altcoins. So movements and tracking with Bitcoin, so although Bitcoin has regressed, we've actually not come back to that zone, and it's really good. It is really good to see. So I know there's a lot of guys that got into this token quite long after the 4th of December, or may have bought in towards the 3 cent range. So they are, there's a lot of people that are sitting with losses at the moment. However, we are 3 times higher than we were a month ago. So if we're going to be 3 times higher in a month's time, that is going to put us at the 5 cent mark. So yeah, my position is long with Spell. This is a correction for Bitcoin. I am really hopeful and expecting a bounce higher. So yeah, stay tuned for more. I'll be watching this one closely, as you all know. And again, thank you for your comments. If you do see a move and you notice I've not put a video up, do slap a like on the video and a comment on on the videos, and I see those and I react to those as quick as I can. All right, thank you. Take care, everyone.